In today's video, I will show you how I record my screen from here and how I do my tutorial. So basically how I record my sound, how I record my computer screen. So let's go ahead, I will show you. So now I'm back to my PC. So right now this is my desktop. So to record my screen, I need to go to this software. I don't record with camera or stuff, so I'm going here. So when I point here, iSpring, it is iSpring FreeCam 8. So I use this software. So let's click here. And meanwhile, to record my audio, I use Audacity. So let's go later on. So when you go to a new recording, there you have this screen. So adjust according to how you want to show your screen, like full screen, or you want to show a particular tablet, so you can show that accordingly. So for example, I want to show it full. So when I hit recording here, there's a recording button. When I start recording, I will get a warning of 3 seconds. 2, 3, 2, 1. So it is basically right now recording my screen. So there are options to record my video, my audio. So this software is automatically recording my sound, but for edit, I want to go to Audacity. So in Audacity, I can start recording my sound. So basically, see, look at the waves. It is now recording my voice. So that's how it is done. So once I finish recording, I will press escape. So when I press escape, so I'll push this off. I'll put this off. So now it is being recorded. Now look at this untitled iSpring FreeCam, right? So this is already here. Now you can edit over here. You can save, you can export. So many options are there. So that's basically how I record my screen, not with camera and not with any other stuff. So this is how easy it is. You can use this voice of the screen recording, or else you can use the one which is recorded through Audacity. I hope this makes it clear. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.